Bet you can't guess where we're at. We're stuck in traffic right now.
The AC wave.
Stuck in traffic. That's where we're at. Stuck in traffic.
Cause I got me a drop top, and if I hit the they will be able to see what you get. Yeah, you're going the right way.
Shitty pipe ladies.
Holy shit.
Hi, baby. Our first time here at Yosemite Park. Oh my God, look at that, Brian. Sheesh. Can you imagine first person that came across this spot and just like, what did they thought about it? Like, what was the thought process? Like, wow. They're probably lost that stuff. Can you imagine all the trout that's in here right now? Look at this. Sheesh. I never been here in my life. Both me and Kelly and Amelia. Brian came here when he was a kid, but he doesn't remember, so look at that. We're on a mission to find a bathroom.
That's the trail right there.
Wow. They're backpacking too. So you know what that means? They might just pull off somewhere and just camp for the night. Oh, we found it, yeah. I'm about to leave my donation here in the woods right now. That's what I'm talking about right there. Should we do it? All right, let's go. Huh? Let's go. It's 14 degrees. Bro! That's intense. Let's go, Brian. Huh? We're about to go hike up there. Watch this. Go to the little spot over there. That little spot. If y'all want to make it up here, I hope you guys exercise great caution. It's slick, rocks are uneven, so exercise caution. I don't know where Brian's at, but I'm gonna go ahead, head to the mountain, head to the waterfall. I'm also remind you guys, I have a 40-pound backpack on me. Woo, yeah. Slick. Look at that. It's right there. We were just there. Now I'm here. There's a thin line between being courageous and stupid. Yeah, I just got close enough. I'm just going on top of this rock. Oh, look at that. wonder if Kelly can see me. I'm not gonna see them. Woo. Yeah, they're right here. I kind of want to go on top of that rock, but that's a steep drop. That looks about like 11-foot drop down to hard rock. Pretty slick as well. Look at that. Perfect view. You know what? Let's see if we just get on top of that rock, see what happens. Alright. Start making our way back. Look at that. Insane. Guess who's up here with me? That's crazy enough to come up here with me. He's brave. Yeah. My first time here. And we're like face to face with the waterfall. Alright. Enough taking photos, let's go. I'm getting drenched. Alright, let's go. Oh, thank God you have a case. This way, babe. Alright, let me see if I can go down with only one hand. Okay, maybe not. Got a 40-pound backpack weighing me down as well. Woo! I found a penny. Where'd it go? Lucky penny.
Let's go.
That same mountain. Oh! I slipped.
Careful.
Oh, smacked my leg on that rock. Oh. Oh.
Careful.
Smacked my shins on that rock. And I found a dime too. I'm getting paid out here. Look at this, getting paid. Look how drenched Kelly is. Alright. That was amazing.
My clumsy ass gonna fall, babe.
Alright.
When your back's not hurting,
Oh
you
yeah.
should go up there.
Definitely, Brian. When the day you're not injured, you gotta walk up there, bro.
America Wild Places.
Some little history for y'all. Apparently his house is up here. Look, you can see his buildings up there. Wonder if he has a bathroom. We just saw a deer back there. The only thing that me and Brian could think about was hunting. Does that make us horrible people? Oh, look, another deer. Summer sausage, Brian. Hey, look, it's a deer. I'm gonna go poke it.
She's up in
Yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. You just ate one apple, Brian.
fiber.
Got the tootie booty. You got the tootie booty over here, polluting the ozone. You want me? I give you $10. You jump in there, Brian.
I give you $10 if you jump in there.
Don't tell me.
What?
What the hell? 1997 is a high was.
Oh wait, this is when I was born.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Gotta be fishes in there. Y'all scared of heights? If not, you want to see something cool? Let's watch this.
The woozy was. Hey
Brian, if I would have dropped my GoPro, can you go get it? Oh, look at that, Brian. Take a picture of that, bro.
Hold on.
Woo. He's afraid of heights. Brian, look over, Brian. Whoa. This is freaking intense. Hey, bro, look over. Look over. Brian, I know you're scared of heights, but just this is beautiful, bro. Look down.
It is beautiful.
Look at that. Woo! All right, Brian. Woo! Oh my gosh. Be like water. If y'all haven't yet, please like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the family, keep up with our daily adventures. Not daily adventures, but keep up with our adventures. My fucking bird scared the shit out of me. Look how big that is. Like a big old puppy.
Is it really?
Yeah, he is terrified of heights. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Pick up a sweater, t-shirt, much appreciated. Links down below. Brian's channel's links down below. It's gonna be linked down below as well. Check out his drone shots. Brian should have new videos uploaded soon, hopefully. If not, check out his Instagram page. But yeah, see y'all on the next one.